Welcome to the Permanent Nomads review of Diamond Club versus non-Diamond Club with some comments about Marriott Elite status at the Royalton Resorts. Okay, here we will show you what's included in the three different statuses: the Standard All-Inclusive, Diamond Club, and Marriott Bonvoy Elite status. If you want, you can pause at 1 minute 56 seconds to see a side-by-side comparison. Okay, let's get into it. So for your standard all-inclusive, you get your free food, all your drinks, kids clubs activities, nightly entertainment, fitness classes, gym, in-room mini bar, etc. So for Diamond Club, you get all of the standard things, plus you get personalized check-in and check-out, Diamond Club lounge, private pool with Diamond Club, and a Diamond Club beach area, butler service, which includes dinner reservations. They'll make them for you every night if you want. They also will pack and unpack you. You also get a 1-hour hydrotherapy session in their spa, and in addition of a personalized bottle of liquor in your room, as well as a pillow menu, upgraded robes and slippers, all these things that are listed under Diamond Club. Now, if you happen to have Marriott Bonvoy Elite status, you get some of the Diamond Club items without having to do Diamond Club, but not all of them. The ones that you get are, you get the Diamond Club lounge, the check-in, the private pool, the Diamond Club beach area. You don't get the butler service or the dinner reservations. Now, this applies to Platinum Elite and above Marriott Elite status. If you happen to be Ambassador Elite, you also get a complimentary 25-minute massage at the spa and butler service if they have it available. So should you book Diamond Club or upgrade on arrival? If you can answer yes to any of the following questions, you should consider upgrading to Diamond Club. For us, we do have Elite status, and we do get access to the Diamond Club amenities, except for the butler service. And for us, we really don't care about dinner reservations, which is usually the big draw, because we don't care what time we eat. If you're with a big group or you got little kids, it might mean more to you. So as a final thought on Diamond Club does offer some great benefits, but it's a personal choice that depends on what you want out of your vacation. If you liked our information, please like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks.